Hello students, today we are going to discuss about nomenclature of aromatic compounds. These aromatic compounds are two types, benzenoids and non-benzenoids. Benzenoids and non-benzenoids. Right? So benzenoid means benzene ring should be present. So these are the benzenoids. Benzenoids. Non-benzenoids are no benzene ring. Suppose like this. Example, furan. This name is furan. Okay. So these are the non-benzenoids, no benzene ring. Right. Now, if you talk about benzenoids and benzene compounds, these are two types of compounds. One is nuclear substituted and side chain substituted. Nuclear substituted means the substituent, if it is directly connected with benzene ring, the substituent directly connected with benzene ring, that is called nuclear substituted. Okay, directly substituted with benzene ring. These are called. Now the naming is given as benzene derivatives. As a benzene derivative. See here, chloro is a substitution, benzene is the main chain. Chlorobenzene. Right? Now in this position, suppose more than one substituent is there. In that case, more than one substituent is there, we have to give the numbering, of course, but two types is a benzene, chlorobenzene. Suppose here one more chlorine is there. Okay. In this case, generally IUPAC name is 1,2 dichlorobenzene. But we can say this ortho dichlorobenzene also. Benzene also. Here ortho word we are using, but it is in the common name. It is not IUPAC. In the common name, we are using this ortho word. So ortho is 1,2. Meta is C. 1,2 dichloro. Sorry, ortho means 2,6. See, numbering is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So 2,6 is ortho. Meta means 3,5. Para means 4. Yes, these are the common names. See here, this is the ortho position, this is also ortho. This is the meta position, this is also meta position. The down one, para position. Okay, like this. Now, side chain substituted means benzene attached, any carbon is there, carbon chain is there, then those are called side chain substituted. In this case, if the side chain has any functional group, then obviously the benzene ring taking as a substituent, that name is phenyl. Okay, phenyl. Whenever the long chain or side chain containing functional group. Okay, now see these examples direct. Here benzene ring is there, two methyl groups are there. So these two methyls are substituents. Right? The position is 1,2 position. So 1,2 dimethyl benzene. Okay, this is the common name. Ortho is indicating 1, 2 position. Okay, xylene word is used for 2 methyls. For 2 methyls on benzene ring. On benzene ring. Okay, when 2 methyl groups are there on the benzene ring, we are using xylene. So here orthoxylene, here metaxylene. Meta means already it is indicating 1, 3 position. So the 2 methyl groups are present on the benzene ring 1, 3 positions. Okay, then para means 4th position में है 1, 4 dimethyl benzene. IUPAC name is 1, 4 dimethyl benzene. Common name is paraxylene. Paraxylene. Next, here isopropyl benzene. This is the substitution again. Only simple hydrocarbon group, propyl group. So isopropyl. It is a isopropyl means Y shape. Already we discussed. Propyl benzene. Common name is here cumene. Okay, cumene. Next, suppose in the side chain any unsaturation is there or functional group are there, then we have to take benzene is a substituent, as a substituent, right? See here, double bond is there, so obviously number 1 and 2. So 1 position benzene ring is there. The benzene ring as a substituent name is phenyl. What is the name? Phenyl. So I can write here name phenylethene. 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 Phenyl is the substituent, eth is the word root, then ene suffix. Okay. Of course, this is also old name. It is ethynyl benzene. Ethynyl benzene also correct only. But common name, mainly commercial name is styrene. Styrene. Yes. Next, whenever substitution is there, obviously this is the main principle होता है. Parent chain बोलते हैं इसका. Parent chain or principal chain. Right. Numbering from where we will start. Obviously, just it is a substitution now. Okay. There is no much preference. Double bond is more preferred. So number 1, 2, 3. So 3-phenyl prop 1-ene. 3-phenyl prop 1-ene. Here 3-phenyl benzene is given. Little mistake through propenyl. Okay. This one 3-phenyl prop 1-ene. 3-phenyl prop 1-ene. Right. Next, you can see some more example from this. Phenyl ethene. Okay, here 1, 2. In any material, so many mistakes are there. Phenyl ethene. Common name is styrene. You can see. Then chlorophenyl methane. See here, chlorine is there, so we can take phenyl as a substituent. Chlorine also substituent. So chlorophenyl methane. The common name is there benzyl chloride. Common name is benzyl chloride. This benzyl chloride also considered as a IUPAC name. In aromatic compound, many compounds common name and IUPAC name there is no variation. If you take one compound, two IUPAC names are there. Okay. Next, here 2-phenyl ethanol. See 1, 2 functional group is there, alcohol functional group. So second position phenyl group is there, 2 phenyl eth ane, single bond is there, alcohol is there, all, 2 phenyl ethane, 1 all. You can see this name, right? Suppose more than one substituents are there, here one ethyl is there, nitro is there, fluorine is there. How you will give? Just alphabetical order, and lowest sum of rule is the first preferred, lowest sum of rule. So number 1 should be given here, 1 2 3. Okay, then if you follow the alphabetical order, what will happen? Methyl nitro fluoro, of course fluorine will get number 1 in this case, but the rule is lowest sum of rule, lowest sum of rule. That means all substitutions sum should be lowest. Then 4 ethyl, where is that 4 ethyl? Sorry, yes, 4 ethyl, 1 fluoro, 2 nitro benzene. 4 ethyl, 1 fluoro, 2 nitro benzene. This is the one of the example here. So here we can take this name is, it is a substituent, so 3 phenyl pro 1 ion, right? This is the IUPAC name. Here benzene derivative, as a benzene derivative they given, but it is old nomenclature, it is the new. Next, hydrocarbon containing condensed or fused rings. If 2 rings are there, that is called naphthalene. If 3 rings are there, anthracene. These 3 rings like this, these are called phenanthracene. Now very important thing is common here for these aryl groups, benzene as a substituent, that name is phenyl. Okay, and the benzene ring, if 2 hydrogens are there, that is benzyl, YL. If only 1 hydrogen is there, that is AL, benzol. If no hydrogens are there, that is benzo. Okay, to remember, I given you one trick. See, no carbon means 0, 0 means benzo. See, benzo mein 0 is indicating, that means no hydrogens here, no hydrogens on the benzene attached carbon. Next, benzol, A is the first letter in the alphabet, so 1 hydrogen is there. Benzyl, Y is the last second letter in the alphabet, so 2 hydrogens should be present. Just this is one trick, right? Next, so this is the toluene. Benzene attached with methyl group is toluene. Okay, toluene as a substituent, it is called toluene. Okay, toluene as a substituent, it is called toluene. Toluene, where it is attached, ortho position attached to some ring or chain, so orthotoluene. If it is attached with meta position, metatoluene, then paratoluene, like this. Okay, next, halogen derivatives. If halogen is there, this chlorobenzene, halogen is a substituent. If 2 are there, 1, 2 dichlorobenzene, 1, 2 dichlorobenzene, or ortho dichlorobenzene also. Next, 4th position is there, 1, 4, or para dichlorobenzene. Next, chlorine is on benzyl carbon, so here we can take it as a benzene as a substituent also. Phenyl dichloromethane, phenyl dichloromethane. Here 1, 2, 3. Where we will give the numbering? 1 bromo or 3? Alphabetical order. Alphabetical order में bromine will come first, so 1 bromo 3 phenyl propane. Next, here unsaturation is there, of course. Here also again alphabetical order, there is no separate rule for this. 1 2 chloro and phenyl, so 1 chloro 2 phenyl ethene. Suppose if hydroxy groups are there, phenols, phenol is considered as a IUPAC name, actually hydroxybenzene, OH group substituent is there, hydroxybenzene, but phenol is considered as a IUPAC name also. Okay, now here cresol one name, इसके पहले xylene we discussed already, now we are discussing cresol. Cresol means indicating one OH group and CH3 group is present. Okay, where is that position? Paracresol, para means 1,4 position. Okay, one is first position, one is fourth position. Metacresol, okay, metacresol and orthocresol also present. Next, if two OH groups are there, here completely all three are different names. One is catechol, resorcinol and quinol. Okay, so now IUPAC name में there is no confusion, just you can write it as a benzene derivatives. In the benzene 1,2 position, benzene 1,2 diol, benzene 1,3 diol, benzene 1,4 diol, numbering 1 2 3 4. Next, aromatic alcohols, these are the polyhydric phenols. Now here aromatic alcohols, right? So phenyl, see here benzene ring, obviously it is a substitution because the side chain has a function loop. Okay, this is the methyl alcohol actually. So IUPAC name methanol. Methanol में one substituent is there, so phenyl methanol, but common name is benzyl alcohol. Two hydrogens are there, already we discussed. On benzene attached carbon, if two hydrogens are there, the last second letter Y, benzyl. Okay, here benzyl alcohol. If chlorine is there, benzyl chloride, like that. Now here 1 and 2, okay, ethanol actually it is. Okay, ethanol. In that ethanol, first position phenyl ring is there, so 1 phenyl ethanol. Next, aromatic ethers. See, oxygen always with smaller chain, right? So methoxybenzene, it is not a bigger functional group. Methoxy, this alkoxy is not having any suffix. Okay, it is considered as just prefix, means substitution only. So next, methoxybenzene, here benzoxy means phenoxybenzene. Benzene as a substituent, it is known as phenyl. Okay, with oxygen phenoxy. Okay, here that is methyl plus oxygen, that is methoxy, right? Methoxy, like that. Next, benzaldehyde, one hydrogen is there, this is the benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Okay, all means one hydrogen is there, all. Okay, next, in the benzaldehyde, suppose OH group is there, OH considered as a substitution, right? 1, 2, 2 hydroxy benzaldehyde. This common name is there, very important name, this is salicylaldehyde. Next, 1, 2, 3. Third position substitution, that is 3 phenyl propane all, that means 3 phenyl propanol. Next, if ketones are there, common name is different, but IUPAC just we have to give the numbering See 1 and 2. See this structure is C double bond O CH3. Here benzene ring is there, right? This is the number 1, this is number 2. Now on the first carbon one phenyl is there, so one phenyl, this is the substitution, one phenyl, two carbons are there, eth, single bond is there, ane, suffix is -one, right? One phenyl ethanone, one phenyl ethanone. Common name is acetophenone. Common name is acetophenone, right? Next, diphenyl methanone. Diphenyl methanone. The structure is PH. PH means benzene ring. Two phenyls. Diphenyl methanone. Next, NO2 group is there. As a substituent, we are taking NO2 as a substituent. So nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene. If two nitro groups are there, you have to give the numbering 1,3 dinitrobenzene. Okay. Next, amines are there. Amines. This amine group, if it is directly connected with benzene, that is called benzenamine. Benzenamine. The common name is aniline. It is also considered as IUPAC. Okay. Next, here phenol also considered as IUPAC. Here aniline also considered as a IUPAC. Now if you want to give as a benzene derivatives, you can give 1, 2 as a benzene derivative, benzene 1,2 diamine. Benzene 1,2 diamine. Amine is the main functional group, right? Two functional groups are there, di 1,2 position. Next, phenyl methanamine. Phenyl methanamine. Just it is a substitution. Now here it is the substitution. So 1, 2 phenyl ethanamine. 2 phenyl ethanamine. Next, arene diazonium salt. Diazonium salt. This is the benzene diazonium chloride. This is the benzene. Okay, this is the diazonium. Okay. This is the diazonium salt. So प्लस एंड माइनस NaCl जैसा है, इसलिए बेंजीन डायजोनियम साल्ट बोलते हैं. बेंजीन डायजोनियम क्लोराइड. क्लोरीन इज देयर हियर, क्लोराइड. बेंजीन डायजोनियम हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड. बेंजीन डायजोनियम हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड. N2 plus. This is the benzene diazonium. Plus is there, M. Okay. Here chlorine is there, chloride, sulfide is there, sulfide, sulfate is there, sulfate, like that. Next, cyanides. Benzonitrile. Cyanide का functional group is there, nitrile suffix. So here no hydrogens. No hydrogen means what we call that? Benzo. Yes, benzo. So benzonitrile. So next other name is phenyl cyanide. Phenyl is a substituent, then in the cyanide, phenyl cyanide. Next, phenyl isocyanide or phenyl carbylamine. Phenyl carbylamine. Next, carboxylic acid. Benzoic acid. No hydrogens here, that means oic. Benzo first of all. Okay. Benzo. The carboxylic acid is there, oic acid, benzoic acid. Next, 2-methyl. Of course, it is a substituent. Numbering started from main functional group 1, 2. 2-methyl benzoic acid. Next, 1, 2 dicarboxylic acid. Dicarboxylic acid. Okay. Here benzene. Benzene substituent. Okay. Benzene 1, 2 dicarboxylic acid. Here we are not giving oic acid. Why? Because we are not taking numbering. See, oic acid, if you want to give the numbering, this carbon should get number 1 2. Here these carbons are not getting the number. Okay, this carbon, benzene carbon, is getting number. Whenever it is not included in the numbering, in that case we have to give the name as carboxylic acid. In the last video already we discussed. Next, benzoic anhydride. Benzoic anhydride. Next, esters. Ester, alkyl alkanoate. Alkyl alkanoate. So here CH3CO, this is the total alkyl. Alkyl alkanoate. R C double bond O O R dash. This is the alkyl. First we will write oxygen attached group. Oxygen attached group is this phenyl. Which phenyl? Methyl phenyl. Where is that methyl? 4-methyl phenyl ethanoate. 4-methyl phenyl ethanoate. Now here benzamide. Benzamide, IUPAC name of this compound. 1 2 3. Okay, propanol first of all. Okay, propanol. But here substance, second position methyl, third position phenyl. 2-methyl 3-phenyl propanol. Right? 1. Here something is missing. Okay, right. Here methoxy. Methoxy phenyl methane. Methoxy phenyl methane. So it is also known as benzyl methyl ether. See, the structure is like this. Here benzene. So you can take, this is the methoxy. Methoxy phenyl methane. Okay, otherwise you can take it, this total is a benzyl. Okay, benzyl methyl ether. Benzyl, this is the total is the benzyl, this is the methyl ether, is a common name. Okay, aromatic compounds nomenclature is this one. Okay, thank you.